Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Color Me Bad Lynn, back today with a brief review on a cool gourmet fragrance that I think that all would enjoy. I think I'm going to enjoy talking about it, that's for sure. I tested it out and I think it's good, and so I'd like to share it with you today. Before we get into the fragrance that I want to share with you guys today, I do want to welcome those back to my channel that have seen videos prior to this one, so welcome back. If this is your first time ever seeing me, I am Color Me Bad Lynn. Here we do fragrance reviews, all things beauty, faith, and a little bit of love and romance. Welcome. All right, so the fragrance I want to talk to you guys today is from the house of Al-Rehab. All right, and here's the box here. We're gonna unbox it. I unboxed it already, but I wanted to, so I never bring my boxes on, so I was like, well, you know. So here's the box here. And this fragrance is Choco Musk by Al-Rehab. Now it says this fragrance is for men and for women. I can see maybe a gentleman layering this with something. I've got a couple of ideas of things that I would like to layer it with, but this is an eau de parfum, and you can actually just wear it all by itself. So let me tell you what's inside of this fragrance. The main accords of this fragrance are vanilla, warm spicy, chocolate, sweet, powdery, cacao, amber, and balsamic. So you'll find notes in this fragrance like milk chocolate, vanilla, white musk, sandalwood, amber, spicy notes, myrrh, and rose. You guys, this fragrance is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. If you like to drink hot chocolate, or your guy likes to drink hot chocolate, this is a really cool fragrance. It's a rainy day. Great day to spray it on, right? So I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the box so you guys can take a look at it and see what we got going on. All right, so again, this is the box. And this is the bottle here. The juice looks like it smells good, doesn't it? All right, so we're gonna take the cap off. Here you can actually see it says Choco Musk 50 milliliter. And the name of the design house at the bottom, Al-Rehab. So we'll take the cap off. The cap is just a crystal clear plastic. Nothing special or spectacular about the plastic top. The atomizer to the fragrance is in gold. And you can actually see the shape of the bottle. Round in the front, flat in the back. It's what we call a concave shape. And it's got these really cool ridges in the front. Really beautiful design. It will look really beautiful on your vanity. Hope you guys can see that. Let's get a little closer. So as you can see by the color of the juice, this is a fragrance that you probably would not want to spray on light color clothes. Even though when you do spray your fragrance on your clothes, it helps it to project and last a little bit longer. But I wouldn't recommend spraying this on any light color clothes. So let's give it a little bit of a spray so you guys can see it in the atomizer. And I'm going to spray a little bit in the box. I have some on, but I want to spray a little bit in the box just to kind of tell you what I smell. Absolutely gorgeous. I can smell it all the way over here. So first off the bat, I get that milk chocolate. And I'm not a sweet eater. I don't have a sweet tooth, so I'm not a candy person. I don't eat a whole lot of candy. But this milk chocolate, and I'm not talking about Hershey milk chocolate. That's not real chocolate. I get the vanilla. I get a little bit of the cinnamon coming. A little bit of the spicy notes. We're gonna let that dry down just a little bit, and we'll come back to it in just a second, right? All right. I hope you guys are enjoying my music in the background. It's Donny Hathaway, a St. Louis native. My mom was actually sung in the choir with Donny Hathaway. I think that's pretty cool. I love his daughter's music too, Layla Hathaway. Beautiful, beautiful. If you close your eyes and listen to both of them sing at the same time, they sound just alike. Amazing vocalists, musicians, and writers. Yeah. So anyway, I just thought I'd share that. So let's see what else we smell. A little bit of rose, a little bit of amber. So this fragrance dries down powdery, and that's what I'm kind of waiting on. When I tell you know, like I stated on several other videos, I'm not a real sweet gourmandish fragrance lover, but it seems like I have a lot of gourmand fragrances in my collection. And you know, I was just playing around with this one, and I, you know, read the box, and I'm like, chocolate, cocoa musk. Let me see what this is about. And when I tell you, I was in for a surprise. And you guys, this fragrance, when I looked up the information on it, is not expensive at all. And you would never know it. You would never know it. I've smelled gourmand fragrances, like the chocolate gourmand fragrances. Some will be compared to like the Mancera fragrances. This lasts longer than Mancera on me. And I'm not putting Mancera down. All right, I don't want to make anybody upset. I love me some Mancera, but this lasts longer and smells better on me than Mancera. And if anybody knows their fragrances, Mancera is getting up there in price, okay? But this, just look it up. I'm not even gonna tell you how much this goes for. Look it up, okay? Extremely affordable. So let me go back in and see if we can get some warm and spicy out of this. Definitely sweet. Definitely balsamic. That's what I really love about this. Now, I want to tell you guys about the sillage and projection. 100%. So if you like a fragrance that creates a soft scent bubble that dries down sweet and powdery, or if you're looking for a sweet gourmand fragrance to layer with other fragrances that may be a little bit too heavy and heady for you, I highly recommend Al-Rehab's Cocoa Musk. And again, they say this fragrance is for men and women. It's more on the feminine side for me, but you know, you can wear whatever you want. Like I said, I have men fragrances in my collection, so definitely do the research on this and check this out. You will be more than satisfied with the price and also the fragrance. That's all I have for today. I want to thank you guys for tuning in. Welcome back once again. I hope everybody enjoys this rainy day. I love a rainy day. Okay? I do. I'm sorry if you don't, but it's good for me. And so with that being said, I want to thank you guys for the support, the love. Make sure you hit the like down below if you like this video. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you'll know each and every time I upload a new video about a fragrance. And make sure you subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye. God bless. Peace.